equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely and effectively perform the upgrade. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean out any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help improve airflow and cooling. Now, locate the hard drive. It's typically secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws and gently slide the hard drive out of its bay. If you're upgrading to a new hard drive, ensure it's compatible with your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once you have your new hard drive, slide it into the bay and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place. After that, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel. Before you power on your laptop, it's wise to double-check that everything is connected properly. If you're unsure, our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you identify any issues before you proceed. Now, reconnect the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure the new hard drive is recognized. If everything looks good, proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. Remember, if you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, it's a hassle-free way to get your laptop serviced. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance, especially for gaming. Keep your device clean and updated for the best experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.